refrigerated temperature and stirring, personalized MES docking. Start storing materials after authority is identified. The machine automatically scans the code during the storage process. Classify products by barcode and record according to the deposit time. To ensure that the absolute first in, first out, the refrigerated area adopts a drawer design. Reduce the minimum loss of air conditioners in the refrigerated area. The temperature is more uniform. Real-time digital and curved display of temperature in the refrigerated area. Over temperature alarm. The machine warms up according to the appointment time or MES instructions. It can be sorted by feeding time or production date. Be first in, first out. The equipment comes with an air compressor. In the case of no gas source in the factory on holidays, the backup gas source is started to ensure the normal operation of the equipment. Install a camera inside the device. It can monitor the operation of equipment in real time. Monitor product safety at the same time. In order to avoid losing, after the warming time is reached, the machine will automatically start the mixing program. The mixing time and rotation speed can be set freely. All data machine archives are checked or interact with MES in real time. After mixing, put the product into the material area to be picked up. After the authority of the collector is identified, the corresponding type and quantity of products can be taken out. After taking out the product, the machine records the collection time. Use it within the specified time. After solder paste, decode the empty bottle. No code cancellation is carried out after exceeding the usage time. The machine will automatically alarm. It can be done through the query function. Scan the code to query all the information of the product. It can achieve forward and reverse traceability. Thank you for watching.